Welcome, viewers. Today we celebrated National Science Day and the remembrance of C.V. Raman, who has got Nobel Prize for his excellent work in physics. He discovered Raman effect. It was the effect, light emission. Actually, it is a light emission. So the effect really excellent and wonderful. So the effect of heat emission is given his name. Okay, so such a great legendary scientist for India, we should never ever forget his name and service to the country. So on this memorable day, our school conducted a science fair in which our students have kept their project works regarding different concepts. So let us go through each and every video. I am uploading at least 11 videos for this time. Others, okay, not to get any disappointment, slowly all of your videos will be posted. So I request you all, hold your patience. Okay, enjoy the videos. Almost all the participants in this video have done their job excellently. Really hats off to them. It has become, it seems, as if they knew it everything, and they knew it very well, and they made it like a cakewalk. Because no one has shown any difficulty in the way they explained. Hats off to them. It shows their hard work, commitment, curiosity, interest, and their ability. So, sky is the limit for talent. To encourage children for their scientific temper and scientific approach in their life, they are given call for this exhibition show on this day. Okay, let us watch these videos with joy and jubilation.
Events in science fair, so media people are curiously waiting to shoot you all your events. Here we can see the team of Jasmita and Harshita, along with her Pythagoras theorem and animal cell. Let us visit their team with their project works. Jasmita, you please tell me how does this Pythagoras theorem works?
Yes, okay. Okay. My project is about Pythagoras theorem. So this is invented by Pythagoras. So first we have to know about what is the right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle we have one right angle and two acute angles. The opposite side of the right angle is called hypotenuse and the other two sides called its length. So this is the net diagram of Pythagoras theorem. So in Pythagoras theorem states that the square length of the hypotenuse in a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. If we take example triangle ABC, then the Pythagoras theorem will be AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So to prove this, I have made a working model for it. Think that this is AB square and this is BC square. If we add these both, we should get AC square. So let's check if we'll get or will not. Yes, we get AC square. So this is about Pythagoras theorem.
Say about animal cell.
Little bit sound more.
Today I am going to tell about animal cell. Cell is the basic functional and structural unit in all living organisms. All living organisms are made up of one or more cells. Cells in organisms are like bricks in a wall. If we have to build a wall, that means we have to arrange the bricks in order like that. All cells are arranged in a manner to become an organism. And the Englishman Robert Hooke is the first man who invented cell in 1965. And these are all the parts in
They have put their efforts and given color, and the lawn is here in the village. It is unbelievable to see such a
state of motion in a tendency of an undisturbed object to stay at rest or to keep moving with the same velocity is called inertia. If the body is at rest, it tends to remain at rest. This property of an object is called inertia of rest. My name is Aisha.
and we can
Today I am
see
going
the
to say about inertia.
agriculture development also seen here. So the field,
Inertia of the rest.
okay.
ఫస్ట్ నేను చెప్పు.
Good afternoon, myself Shekha Zakari, and I am going to show an experiment that anaerobic respiration takes occurs in the yeast. Okay, so first of all, let us heat the glucose
Children,
solution.
the teachers on this occasion have put their efforts excellently to make this science fair a successful one. So all the teachers of Swiss High School and Public School and the parents of Swiss High School and Public School are invited to go through all the experiments that are provided for the watching and enjoying. So we invite all the parents and teachers of Swiss High School and Public School.
We have to arrange this gel
Please
like this.
go through all these experiments
Place a thermometer. You can see reading.
under this science fair.
You can see the reading 24 to 27. So after one day, you can see that this lime water turns to milky. Okay, and this thermometer temperature will be increased to somewhat, like when it's 25, right? So it may be increased to 27 to 28 or 30 or 35. Okay, and the third observation is it gives the alcohol smell. So these three observations will be done in this experiment. So we can prove that anaerobic respiration
Students of
occurs in the
each and every class
Thank you for
who
listening.
have not participated in this science and done by Swiss Public School children.
ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఏం లేదా? చెప్పండి ఇంకా. వెయిట్
అడిగాను చెప్పు.
It is known to everyone when media comes over any place, seriousness and happiness and joy moments.
My name is Samantha of class 8 student. Today our project is to prove that the area of circle is pi r square. Say that.
So firstly we have to divide the circle into 16 equal parts and then we have to join them in this order. When we join them in this order, object formed. It's known as parallelogram. The upper region of this part is known as pi r and the side of this is known as R. So pi r into R is known as pi r square.
So this is a circumference. If you drag this, we will get that the area pi r into r is equal to pi r square. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Good.
Name is how the DC current is converted to the AC current, sir. DC current is known as the direct current, sir. AC current is known as alternate current. DC current example, take an battery, sir. HW battery connect a LED light, sir. That is without in between the HW battery and the LED, not there any connector, sir. That is called as DC current, sir. DC current have the high voltage of current, sir. Alternate current means in between the battery and an LED light connector is there, means that is called as AC current, sir. In this project, I choose the solar panel, a free electricity panel. It is called as a free electricity panel, and one 12 volts battery, sir, and one inverter. To convert the DC current to AC current, inverter is main important, sir, in this project. With using of solar panel, the battery will store the electricity and that gives to the inverter and the bulb will glow, sir. That is my project, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next.
Good morning to one and all. This is about the electroplating, which is used in industrial purposes. It is used to coat on a iron or a steel or any other metals. Coat on by using a copper or a gold or a silver. By using this process is mostly and widely used in the industries. By coating a iron nail, after a few minutes, the iron bolt changes into a copper. The copper plating takes place on the iron bolt. After the water, if we dip any object like this, the electricity passes more than, so it changes into black color. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Divya. His name is Sir Tejashwini. We both are saying about the Newton laws of motion. Newton has given 3 laws to describe the motion of bodies. These laws are known as Newton laws of motion. Newton's laws of motion. A body at rest will remain at rest, and a body in motion will continue in motion in a straight line with a uniform speed unless it compelled by an external force to its state of rest or in uniform motion. Example. Now I am saying the example of Newton's first law of motion. Take a glass and one cardboard piece and one coin. Put the glass in a table and then take a cardboard piece, put on the glass and put the coin, put on the cardboard piece. Now move the cardboard piece, the coin will falls into the cup. The coin will falls into the glass. It is called inertia. It is the example of Newton's first law of motion. Newton's second law of motion. The rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the applied force and takes place in the direction in which the force acts. The rate of change of momentum of a body can be obtained by dividing a change in momentum by time taken. For change, so Newton's second law of motion can be expressed as force is equal to change in momentum by time taken. Now I will say the example of the Newton's second law of motion. When we are playing the cricket, the fielder will be catch ball. When fielder will be catch ball like this, means they get injured in hands. Fielder will be catch like this, means they get injured in the hands. They get injured in the hands and fingers. This is the wrong way to catch the ball. Now I will say the correct way to catch the ball. Now it is the correct way. When it is a step by step, it is the correct way to catch the ball. It is the correct way to catch the ball. This is the second law of motion. When a body exists a force on the wall exists an equal and opposite force on the body. Wherever one body exists a force on another body, the second body exists an equal and opposite force on the first body. To every action there is equal and opposite reaction. Now I will say the third law of motion. When we kick the ball, it is an action. For us, pain will become, it is a reaction. Every reaction